What's up, guys? Good to see you and welcome to this special edition of the Keto Kitchen where the Whitrock family is gonna go to Cracker Barrel. So this video is how to do keto at Cracker Barrel. Now, I think pretty much everybody's been to Cracker Barrel, right? They're like all over the country. Famous for their triangle game with the pegs that I was never...
famous for? I think they just got that out.
But that's like their thing.
I think their thing is like old-fashioned stuff.
Yeah, old and rocking chairs. So rocking chairs and the triangle peg game. So anyways, we are headed to Cracker Barrel. We will see you guys there.
I was at Home Depot and I was rocking in one of the chairs and this lady came over and she said, I think you need one of those. And that was like huge.
Alright, so we made it to Cracker Barrel. We're just sitting out here hanging out. Old country style. Big mama over there. 100 days away, just chilling and relaxing. Cracker Barrel always reminds me of my grandparents because they always used to take me here when I was a kid. It was always like a big... It reminds Carly of her father. He took you here a lot? Yeah, feeling good. Good vibes going on here at Cracker Barrel. So we're gonna go grab a table. We've already got Christmas stuff out.
Careful, just look with your eyes.
Whoa.
So
cool hat, man.
So cute though.
It's so cool.
So cute.
You're a country boy. We came across some temptation here. Got extra long Twizzlers, which I'm not a fan of Twizzlers, man. Of all the candy, I think that's my least favorite. Do you like Twizzlers?
No.
Me either. Especially not the black licorice ones. Those are the worst. And a humongous ready to decorate and serve Rice Krispie treat. Okay, I found Carly's favorite candy ever.
One of my favorites.
One of your favorites. Actually, what is your is Kit Kat?
Snickers behind it.
Snickers? Well, they got Snickers. You're covered. You're pregnant, so you can do that, right?
Yeah.
Yo, this is gonna be what Sawyer's gonna be looking at.
Oh my gosh.
This is the Sawyer section.
No, this.
Oh my gosh, I have to get used to this stuff. I'll be over at the boys section. Paxton, we'll hang out over here. Mommy's gonna be shopping for Sawyer. We need to get Sawyer an $89 rocking chair. But it's cute. But it's cute.
Come here, look.
Here, sit in the little chair, buddy.
Ooh, rock. Look. Rock.
It'll be you, and then soon, in 100 days, we'll have Sawyer sitting right there. What's your name? Mariah. What's your YouTube? Do you have Instagram or YouTube?
I have Instagram.
What's your Instagram handle?
It's complicated. Okay.
Complicated.
It's M5W1XZL3.
I'm gonna put a link in the description below to that. Do you like working at Cracker Barrel?
It's alright.
How old are you?
17.
Okay, so you got time to grow.
Yeah.
Learning experience.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. We'll give you a shout out. Alright guys, so we just sat down here at Cracker Barrel. I'm gonna be honest, this is the easiest little restaurant review that I could possibly do because anytime you find a breakfast joint, you know you're good to go. All you have to do is order eggs and bacon and sausage and all that stuff. What's up, my man?
Hey, how you doing?
Good, thanks. We'll wait for Carla to get back, but yeah, we're just chilling.
Cool. Who's this for?
This is YouTube, man.
Nice.
Wanna
You do
say
a
what's-
fitness channel? Hey.
Yeah. How'd you know it was a fitness channel?
Obvious.
Give it away.
Yeah.
You got Instagram? What? You look like you work out, bro.
Yeah, I work out at Gold's. Yeah, so I follow Steve Cook on, I don't know if you
My
know
boy,
Steve.
shout out to my boy Steve.
Yeah, Steve Cook's pretty good. There's this guy, I forget his name, but I forget his name, but yeah, I follow a couple guys on.
So when are you gonna get on there, man?
I don't know.
You have an Instagram you want to plug?
Yeah, follow me at Christopher _ Andy _ Fulmar. That's my name.
All right, you're gonna take good care of us, bro?
Yeah.
All right, sweet. Yeah, but like I was saying, if you're on the road traveling and stuff like that, keeping it keto at breakfast joints like IHOP and Waffle House, Cracker Barrel is always a safe bet. So the hard part about coming to breakfast places is avoiding the carbs, because you see everybody eating the pancakes, they have hash browns, which I absolutely love. The other hard part is coming to places like this with your pregnant wife, who you know is probably gonna have pancakes and she deserves it. But we're on a mission here, so we're not gonna let that tempt us. There's a lot of good stuff on this menu, but I'm gonna be honest, I'm just keeping it simple, probably with eggs, maybe some green beans, and some bacon, of course. Okay, so I totally didn't realize how big the menu was besides just breakfast stuff, so I was just kind of cruising through here. French dip is always good. They've got a French dip sub here. You just take the bun off. It probably comes with au jus sauce, which I'm a huge fan of. Okay, I would also consider this meatloaf here. We got the ribeye steak. Obviously, you could go with the grilled sirloin steak. Roast beef would be good. You just have to worry about the side dishes. Okay, we got the apple cider barbecue chicken breast. I would probably avoid that just because I'd be worried about hidden sugars in apple cider and the barbecue. But the lemon pepper grilled rainbow trout sounds amazing. And the southern grilled chicken Caesar salad I'd go for as well. Okay, I'm gonna do 4 whole eggs, an order of bacon, and a side of green beans. Just the whole egg.
Just the whole egg.
Yeah. Got all that money my man's making, dude.
It's alright.
How old are you, bro?
I'm 20.
Okay, sweet. Young guy. Are you in school?
Yeah, I go to Texas A&M. Well, I just got accepted last week.
Nice.
College, so
Congrats.
majored in political science, minoring in business management. So when I get to the world of politics, if that doesn't work out, teach.
I can see you as a politician, man.
Somewhat. If that doesn't work out, I'll own my own business. So I get my real estate license, my broker's license, then open up my own firm. So yeah.
The future is bright, bro.
Yeah, so far. So I'll get that going.
We appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
All right, guys, here's the famous triangle game. I think the goal is to jump it, right? And then you take the peg out.
I have no idea.
Is that right?
I think the instructions are on there. I have no idea.
I think that's right. Look, and then you jump it. It says it. The instructions are right there, but...
Jump. I'm gonna jump you.
Jump it. What color is this?
What color
Blue.
is this one?
And then some bread and toast.
Who got that?
Yeah, it just comes on. It's
Oh, okay.
Did you get this?
Yeah, I got toast.
I got toast, yeah, but it just comes like that.
Sweet.
Oh, that all the pixels.
Yeah, we like to give a lot of food out around here.
Thank you.
Thanks, brother.
Is there anything I'll probably grab some napkins for y'all guys?
That would be great.
Anything else y'all need for the moment?
This is good, man.
Perfect.
Awesome, I'll grab some napkins, yeah.
Appreciate it, bro. Okay, so this is yours?
Yeah, why do the eggs look like they took does it look like they took the white away from it?
Yeah. All right, guys, our meal has arrived. So I got 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got some bacon here and some green beans. I love green beans. Our awesome server plopped this huge plate of carbs. And what is this card?
I think that's grits maybe or something.
Grits? No, it's like gravy. Yeah, it's gravy, biscuits and gravy. Paxton, what'd you order? He's got some chicken fingers. I'm a little bit jealous of that mac and cheese. It looks amazing. Carly, what do you got? Some bacon and some eggs that are like cut weird.
I like they took the egg whites. I don't really get
They
it.
took away your egg whites because egg whites are pointless. Eat the yolks, everybody. And you got grits. Do you like grits?
I've never had them, but
Napkins for y'all.
thank you.
Good service, brother. We appreciate it. That's it, baby. All right, guys, we're gonna dig into this meal. I'll see you when we're done.
A few moments later.
Carly, what'd you order?
Get out of here.
Carly couldn't resist. She said, don't judge me. Don't judge her, guys. She's pregnant. And I'm avoiding the temptation because we got a show in 1 week. All right, guys, we just got done with our meal here at Cracker Barrel. Kept it keto, resisted the temptation, had amazing service. Shout out to my boy Chris. Thank you so much for taking care of us, man. I tried to pick up Paxton's mess as much as I possibly could. You're gonna be good in life, bro. Keep working hard. Guys, let me know in the description below what restaurant you want me to visit next to keep it keto. I kind of like doing these series, man. You get to meet cool people. But check out Cracker Barrel if you guys have one in your neighborhood. Usually they are by like Holiday Inns right off the highway. This is an old classic, man. I like coming to this place more than like an IHOP or a Waffle House. There's a lot of character in here, and like I said, it took me back to my childhood. Rest in peace, Grandma. Thank you so much for always taking me to the Cracker Barrel, guys. I'll see you at the next video. As always, keep up the good work and much love.